This is our client, David. David is an estate planning attorney who came to us at the very beginning of the pandemic. Because he had relied on live workshops to bring in new clients, the pandemic put him into a financial tailspin. Clearly, he needed more than workshops to bring in new clients. He needed a pipeline. We launched his digital marketing and got him into our coaching program. He got great at showing value in client meetings and commanding top fees. He closed out the year with his best revenue months ever. And he did it without adding more staff. Because this strategy works at scale, growing revenue along with margin and profitability. Guys, this strategy is so powerful that our clients are doubling, even tripling their revenue without getting burned out or eaten alive by exploding overhead.
Prior to hiring you guys, my advertising budget was spread across a number of different things, including TV. And not long after we implemented the webinar funnel, I took all of my advertising out of everything else and is squarely in alignment with what you guys are doing for me right now. And bottom line is, it works, and I don't have to work on it myself on a daily basis. And so it's taken things off of my shoulders, and there's been tremendous value.
David's not alone in his story. Scaling up an estate planning practice or elder law practice, it's possible. The outcome that you want, the practice that you know you should have, it's possible. Now, yes, there are reasons why you're not there yet. Really, it's based on your skill set, your mindset, your current strategies. If you can grasp the concept of turning those things around, then you're on your way. Go ahead and book a call. During our call, we'll get clarity about where you're at now, where you want to be, maybe even what's possible within your law practice, what's been holding you back, and what, if anything, integrity marketing can do to help you get there. So go ahead and book a call, and I'll see you there.